Hi today, and we are looking at the Marauder Trading Robot, which is a $999 trading robot that is currently on the MQL marketplace. This is our review of the trading robot. It is a trading robot for MetaTrader 4, and currently the author has provided settings or set files for pound dollar, euro dollar, and gold. So looking at the product page, you can see that it was released in 2018 and has since had a few updates. It said it uses the model of quantum set of algorithms. I absolutely have no idea what it means, but I think it just means there is a bunch of algorithms that are there. And looking at the settings for optimization, you can see it says RSI. So I think this is essentially a RSI trading robot, and it does say that it does not use martingale, but the set files which are provided are indeed martingale and grid. Brokers and VPS. So in order to get the best results, I always recommend using a regulated broker and a VPS. A VPS is a server or a computer which sits on the cloud. A good VPS provider will have their machines in the same data center as your broker, ensuring that you get uninterrupted network connectivity, which obviously helps your trading robot. You can see our recommended broker and VPS provider in the description box below. So moving on to the backtest. So for each of the backtests, we are starting with a 1K account from January 2020, taking it all the way until December 2020, and we will be using the author set files. So first of all, this is the Euro USD maximum risk. This is the 1.07 set file, which has been provided by the author. You can see that it starts off pretty well. It's trading the euro dollar 5 minutes from the start of the year. As it is a grid martingale system, it will inevitably crash at some point. It's almost like a ticking time bomb, but just before it crashed, it did reach $17,000. So that is pretty good going considering it started with 1,000. The trick is ensuring that you're withdrawing money on a regular basis with this type of trading system. If you did hold on, you could see that it would have gone all the way up to 17, and then all of a sudden, over a couple of trades, it would have lost everything. Moving on to the pound dollar medium risk set file. This is also a 1.07 set file on the 5-minute time frame. This has done half the amount of trades that the euro dollar set file had done, but you can see it's a lot more stable. It has returned 45%, so quite modest in relation to the previous set file, but this one hasn't yet crashed. Now moving on to the gold medium set file by the author. This one peaked at $2,181 before it crashed. So in summary, all the set files are indeed martingale and grid. This means that they are high risk, high reward, and at some point they will crash. The only way to make money from these type of systems is to ensure that you've got a way where you're regularly taking money out of the system. One thing which I did find quite strange was that the backtests were extremely slow, and I don't know if there is quite a lot of complex calculations which have been done. I don't know if that will affect real trading. I personally won't be using this in live trading. The author does provide updated set files quite often. If you do look at the product page on MQL and you look at the comment, you can see that the author does provide regular set files to this. So that's good. The author is still committed to working with this. It's just this type of trading system may not be suitable for everybody. And of course, because the author can provide set files, you can also run your own optimizations and provide your own set files for other pairs, which the author hasn't. The author has only provided set files for pound dollar, euro dollar, and gold. And as I mentioned, you need to ensure that you withdraw money from this trading robot to make money, because of the inevitable crash at some stage when using this type of trading system. So if you are interested in this trading system, you can buy this from the MQL marketplace. The link is, as you can see on the screen there. The author does provide regular set files, so best bet is to go to the author's page in the comments, look from the newest page and work backwards to find out which ones are the latest. And finally, thank you for watching. If you do like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.
If there are any particular trading robots which you would like me to have a look at, just drop me a comment in the video comments box below and I will consider it. Thanks very much.